Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a unique platform. From this platform you can simply pay your bills and earn money without easy and simple method. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can start the video. So first of all you can see the website was open. Hashwell is the name of this project, and Hashwell is a new project and having a unique method. You can earn money. As you can see, electricity loan now live, you can pay and make, and you can simply mine and invest funds and get rewards smoothly, and many more opportunities of earning. Its platform gives you, so must join it, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. So first of all you can see the detail of this project. As you can see, 10.2 ETHS is the total managed hash rate, and total managed miner was 53,000, and number of global data center was 5 and hosting capacity was 200 megawatts. So that's a unique thing for you, and you can now see the plans of this project. Cloud mining plans are available. You can mine BTC, Bitcoin miner S21 detail was available. Time period was also showing on screen with percentage. As you can see, 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, and so on. 360 days plan was also available. You can simply invest $294, and it will be give you a big reward. As you can see on screen, totally duration static output rate was showing on screen. You can earn 105% the outcome of this investment, and you can get daily reward. So must join it and be the member of this project. As you can see, the time period and profit ratio, each and everything was showing on screen, and daily you can earn reward from this project. You can see BTC price estimate, and loan detail was also available. Current price of BTC was showing on screen, and first day payment was available, mid-term payment, and estimate daily output was showing on screen, and total income you can generate from this plan was also showing on screen. So it's a good method and give you a passive income, so must join it. And you can simply buy it from here. Simply click on a buy option, then you can easily purchase it. So Ashwell cloud mining, register now for 7 days of free, give you a bonuses, and you have multiple global grow your earning and multiple options and multiple currencies. Simply you can participate in it and get reward. Which one you want to subscribe, simply select it. Percentage and total duration of time was also showing on screen. You can simply join it and be the member of this project and generate a passive income. So hopefully you will understand how projects work and give you rewards. Why hash while you choose, simply it's give you easy mining, real hash rate, multiple models, and declarated team which helps to grow you more. And it's also give you multiple opportunity in future. As you can see, the data center was showing on screen, and the institute of this project was also showing. So must read it and then be the member of this project. So now you can see the latest news, updates, research announcements, and each and everything was showing on screen. FAQ option and 24 chat support option was also available. If you have any question, so simply you can chat now and get your answer. So this project give you a biggest opportunity to earn a passive income and also give you rewards. As I will share with you, you can see on screen, 100% power fee discount, 10 100T or 7-day launch on January 16, 2025. You can see voucher coupon was available, and multiple opportunities it will give you, and these are very big rewards. So you can simply create your account. I click on a sign up option, simply enter your email. I enter my email, then I will show you how you can create your account and be the member of this project. It's a very simple and easy method to be the member of this project. Hope you will understand. Simply enter email and then verify it, so you can join this project. So hopefully you can see my, I enter my email, then I check it and click on the next option. It will be in process now. Verification will be start. I will select the hands in this verification process, and now it will be verified. then I will enter my verification code and it will be verified. So it's a very simple and easy method to join this website. I will live share with you how you can create your account and be the member of this project. Now simply I enter my verification code on this platform, and then I will be log in. Simply stay with us. So friend, I will receive the verification code. Now I will be enter it on this portion, and then it will be verified. So simply my verification code will be entered, and now I click on the next option. Then it shows that to create a password. So simply I create a password and then confirm the password. It will be verified. So it's a very simple step to creating an account. So I confirm it and my account will be successfully created. So hopefully you will know how you can register your account, and I will simply register my account. You can see on screen, and total detail and profit was also showing on screen. You can simply deposit, withdraw, transfer your funds. It's a very simple method. Click on a deposit option, complete your KYC, and then you make deposit. And the withdraw method was also simple. Simply enter your KYC detail. My profile and profit was also showing on screen. My hash rates and each and everything was showing. My electricity loan was also showing on screen, as you can see. And the main and other option of earning was available, which was inviting a friend. Simply you can generate your referral link, copy it, and make friends to earn a big reward. So these are the main thing. Hopefully you will understand how you can be the member of this project. Now you can go to the cloud mining option, purchase a plan, view the detail, and then start your earning with your time period, which one you want to select. So it's a very simple and easy method. So hopefully you will know each and everything about this project, how it's work, how you can create an account. So simply be the member of this project and generate a passive income and make referrals to earn more rewards. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Hope we will be meeting next video.